Good morning students, welcome to the science classes of class 8, chapter 14, and the chapter is chemical effect of electric current. So students, today we are going to perform an activity, and the aim of activity is to show the electrical conductivity of hydrochloric acid and distilled water. And for this activity, materials needed are 4 beakers, a rubber cork, hydrochloric solution, distilled water, electric cell, switch and wire. So these are the material those are required for this activity. Now we are going to perform this activity. Observe carefully. So for this activity we required a battery, a rubber cork, 2 iron nail and some wire, an electric switch, hydrochloric solution, distilled water and 2 vacant beaker. Now I am going to perform this activity, so observe carefully. First of all, we take a rubber cork and insert 2 iron nail in the cork apart 1 centimeter. These 2 iron nails act as a 2 electrode, and now connect the wire with both the iron nails and make a circuit. In this way you have to connect a switch and a bulb in the circuit. Now we take a beaker, a vacant beaker, and place this cork in the beaker. And now take this hydrochloric solution and pour in the beaker carefully. And now take battery and connect with the circuit. Now on the switch and see that the bulb is glowing. Now you observe that the bulb is glowing. This means the solution, hydrochloric acid solution that is taken in the beaker, this act as a electrolyte. They conduct electricity and completed the circuit, so the bulb is glowing. Now repeat this activity. We take another vacant beaker and place this cork in that vacant beaker. And again you pour the distilled water in the beaker. Again and in this situation you observe that the bulb is not glowing. It means the solution that you have taken is not electrolyte. They do not conduct electricity. It is a bad conductor of electricity. After performing this activity, you observe that hydrochloric acid is good conductor of electricity because they conduct electricity and the bulb is glowing in this situation, while distilled water is poor conductor of electricity because in this situation bulb is not glowing. So hydrochloric acid is a good conductor and distilled water is poor conductor. Thank you for watching.